To begin using your Zinger chair, simply roll the folded chair into place. Gently pull the release cable to unfold the Zinger to the seated position. Once seated, press the power button and gently pull upwards on the control arms to release the parking brake. The Zinger has a very tight turning radius. To re-engage the parking brake, simply pull up the levers located on both sides underneath the seat. You can control the speed of the Zinger by simply pressing the speed button until your desired setting is enabled. The Zinger has 3 speed settings. To move forward, simply push both arms downward and pull the throttle trigger. Turning is a breeze with the Zinger. To turn right, just pull upwards on the right control arm while keeping the left arm pushed down. Reverse this movement to go left. To go backwards, press the reverse button and push downward on the control arms. To prepare your Zinger for transport, gently pull the release cable again and fold the chair. It remains in the folded position until the release cable is pulled again. To remove the battery, insert the included key into the Zinger and pull the battery out from the left side. Reverse this procedure to insert the battery. To charge the Zinger's battery, just plug the included wall adapter into the battery. The battery does not have to be inserted into the Zinger in order to charge. As you can see, the Zinger is very easy and simple to operate and can be ready for use in no time at all. We would love to talk to you about how you can get your own Zinger, so give us a call today at 800-790-0266. Let's get started.